Throdle. So I'm walking by in SEMA and I happened across the Lexus booth and I was stopping to find my favorite LFA but didn't find one. But instead, I found David with Lexus.
That's right.
How are you doing?
Good. Welcome.
So one of the things that I've noticed here is that we have these custom GDM focused kind of Lexuses. When I think Lexus, I think, my dad wants his coupe. My sister wants her SUV, but what is going on here? I mean, you've got these diffusers, you've got a lot of carbon fiber.
You fell in love with great choices, yes. Lexus is a vehicle that everybody knows is incredibly reliable, incredibly dependable. So if somebody here at SEMA is inspired and they're wanting to take personal ownership of that vehicle and be inspired to create on it, why would you do it on something that you can't trust is going to last? If you're going to put money into it, do it on something that you know is going to be reliable. So we love that our Lexus customers want to take their vehicle and customize it for their own. So that's what these are showcasing. We have two professional drivers, Townsend and Scott Pruett. They have a relationship with Lexus. This vehicle that you first noticed with the orange stripes, this was done in partnership with Scott Pruett and D-Sport Magazine. So that is Scott's signature with the orange stripes. He had fun customizing the exterior, these custom rims, the custom Sparko seats with his helmet on the inside. That's his heritage piece. So this is all right now exterior modifications. They're going to be modifying the under the hood components.
Really?
So that's exciting.
Tuning.
Yes, so stay tuned on that one. And then this one, Townsend did in partnership with Hiraku. Now what's really cool about this, you see the quad exhaust because this is the IS500.
The tips, look at those.
Yes, titanium tips.
All right.
A lot of the custom pieces on this one are actually 3D printed.
Really?
So this whole front quarter panel is all 3D printed. A massive 3D printing job. The skirt, the mirror accents. So it's really cool to see what technology is enabling customizers to do to their vehicle and do it the way that they want.
What is he doing with these rotiforms over here?
Yeah, a lot of people have commented on that. So this is actually designed to help pull more heat away. If you're going to drive aggressively, keeping it cool increases performance. So Townsend would certainly know a lot about that, being a professional driver. So that was a choice that he made on his custom car. So that's what you're looking at.
Very nice.
Now this model that you noticed back here, this is our GT Cup car. That's really showcasing not only that we're involved in GT3 racing, but the fact that our new LX right behind you, our flagship SUV, got redesigned, and that's showcasing the towing capacity. So it tows up to 8,000 pounds. This is our 22 LX. So this would be a blank canvas for somebody who's inspired to create their off-road SUV, as we were talking, off-road capabilities. Lexus is not just a luxury brand, not just comfortable, reliable. These vehicles, our GX and LX, are totally four-wheel drive off-road capable. So you can go anywhere that you want around town, and then when you're ready, hit the trails, this vehicle can absolutely do it.
You guys have a very intense a community of off-roaders. Can you tell
we
us
do.
A little bit
Well, we're part of the Toyota company, right? So a lot of people know about 4Runners and Land Cruisers. Well, we are the luxury version of those vehicles. So anybody who wants to do those with those vehicles but want a more luxurious experience, come over to Lexus. That's what the Land Cruiser is now, the LX 600.
All right, so you mean if I'm going in the snow and something, I put on my nice heated seats and you know what, I'm just enjoying it with my cup holder.
Yes.
And
This is Takumi craftsmanship at its finest. And yes, you can absolutely go see the world's best national parks, the best vistas and views.
I love that. Now, when you buy a Lexus, what is that like? Because what is the community like for Lexus owners?
Yeah, so actually Lexus really set out to set a new standard in service, not just in cars. And so when you join the Lexus family, we really hope that you experience an elevated luxury service experience. Now, it's so rewarding when our customers tell us that is what they're getting. So you actually join a family with Lexus owner benefits. We have a website, drivers.lexus.com. A lot of people don't know about hotel partnerships or restaurant partnerships, sporting event locations with maybe special parking. So there's a lot of benefits many people are not taking advantage of.
You
should get in on it. It's not just great service at the dealership. It should be a lifestyle that you're joining when you join the Lexus family.
A lifestyle of quality and luxury, for sure. Thanks so much, David. Really appreciate it.
It's my pleasure. Welcome to Lexus.